How to fix Hipcamp booking payment failing. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply check your card details. What you're going to do is verify the billing zip code, expiration date, and also CVV date are all correct, right? So after doing that, try the alternative payment. You can actually switch to PayPal, Apple Pay, or the alternative credit card instead of your current credit card in order to book and see if that helps. If not, then lastly, try to check for the bank authorization. You can actually contact your bank to authorize the transaction if flagged by the automated fraud prevention, right? And lastly, simply try to clear all of your browser cookies, or if you're on the application, then try to clear all of the cache off your application, and I'm pretty sure that that will help you out. So try completing the booking in incognito mode or via your mobile app. So if you're on the browser, try the incognito mode and browse your Hipcamp through that and see if that helped. I'm pretty sure by doing all of these things, one of the method would help you guys in fixing the Hipcamp booking payment failing.